Let us discuss the question. Is 8n square plus 3n plus 2 not is of order big O n square? See the definition of big O. F of n less than or equal to c into g of n for all n greater than or equal to n0, where f of n and g of n are non-negative functions, c and n0 are positive constants. Let us come to the solution. We adopt proof by contradiction method. Here our f of n is 8n square plus 3n plus 2 and our g of n is equal to that one, the n square. And let us assume 8n square plus 3n plus 2 is of order big O n square. If this is true, we are assuming this is true. If this is true, we have a c and a g of n, that is c n square, c into g n square, which is greater or equal to our f of n, that is 8n square plus 3n plus 2. Okay, if this is true, we will have a c and an n0. All the values of n greater than or equal to n0, this inequality should be hold, that is f of n should be less than or equal to c into g of n. This condition, that is, as n increases, n greater than or equal to n0, f of n is less than c into g of n. Okay, let us do one thing. Divide both sides by n square. We will get 8 plus 3n by n square, that is 3 by n, plus 2 by n square, less than or equal to c. 8 is a constant, c is a constant, both are positive. Let us do one thing. We are bringing this 8 here, and this side your LHS will be 3 by n and plus 2 by n square. C by 8 is a constant. Let us call it C1. 3 by n plus 2 by n square. Our assumption is 8n square plus 3n plus 2 is of order big O n square. Then there should be an n0 and there should be a c. Okay. So at n0, this f of n equal to c into g of n. If n increases, that is n greater than n0, we have to check whether this inequality hold or not. Okay, we can see this RHS is a constant. RHS is a positive constant. Then coming to this LHS, as n increases, this LHS decreases. As n increases, the LHS decreases, because this n is in the denominator. Let us take an example. 9 is less than or equal to 100. 100 is a positive constant like C1. Okay. If this side decreases 8, this condition is true, when this LHS becomes 7, this condition is true. 7 is less than or equal to 100. Okay. So this inequality holds for all values of n greater than some n0. So we have a c and we have n0, and this condition f of n less than or equal to c into g of n hold for all values of n greater than or equal to n0. Hence, our assumption is right. 8n square plus 3n plus 2 is of order big O n square. The given statement is wrong. The given statement is